Applying for International Experience Canada? Before you apply, visit our website to find out if your country is part of the program, and if so, which of the 3 categories are available to you. Check out our application process at a glance for an overview of all the steps to apply. After completing the Come to Canada questionnaire, create and submit your profile and choose the pools that apply to you. While you wait for an invitation to apply, start preparing your supporting documents. This may take a while, so it's better to start early. Make sure you get the right police certificate. Check our website for specific instructions. If you get an invitation to apply, you will have 10 days to accept or decline. Remember, all of your deadlines will be in UTC time. Not ready to accept the invitation? You can decline the invitation, go back into the pool, and be eligible for another invitation. But if time runs out on your invitation, your name will be removed from the pool. You will have 20 days from the time you accept your invitation to submit a complete work permit application. If you are applying for the Young Professional or International Co-op category, your employer needs to pay the $230 Canadian employer compliance fee and submit your job offer using the employer portal. Once the fee is paid, your employer will send you a 7-digit employer number that begins with the letter A. Include this number in your application. If you want to work in certain fields such as health services, childcare, primary or secondary education, or elder care, or if you have traveled to certain countries within the last 6 months, you will need a medical exam. Check the website to see if you need a medical exam. Upload all supporting documents. If you cannot get a document in time, you can upload a letter of explanation or proof that you have requested the document. Check your application carefully. Make sure all questions have been answered and all documents have been uploaded. Review your answers by clicking Modify My Answers. Do not wait until the last minute to submit your application. Pay your fees with a credit card online through your IRCC account. If you need to provide biometrics, you will get a biometric instruction letter within 24 hours of submitting your complete application. You have 30 days to give your biometrics at a visa application center. You may need to travel to another city or country to provide them. Check our website for the closest visa application center in your area and book an appointment as soon as possible. Make sure you check your email and junk mail folders, as you might be asked for more documents. After uploading more documents, make sure you press Next, provide an electronic signature, and then press Transmit. It should say Provided next to the document you've uploaded. If you need more time to get a document, make sure you ask for an extension using the IRCC web form and choose International Experience Canada from the drop-down menu. It takes 56 days to process your application from the date you submit it. Processing will only start after you have submitted biometrics and will stop if we ask for any additional documents. While you are waiting for a decision, check our website to see what other documents you may need, such as comprehensive healthcare insurance, the equivalent of 2,500 Canadian dollars in your bank account, and a passport that is valid for your entire stay in Canada. If you are approved, IRCC will send a port of entry letter to your IRCC account. Bring this letter with you to Canada. A Canadian Border Services officer will issue your work permit at the port of entry. Review it carefully before leaving. Make sure the length of the work permit matches what you are eligible for. If you have done a medical exam, make sure there are no medical restrictions on your work permit under conditions. If there is a mistake, the Canadian Border Services officer can fix it. Make sure your IEC application and supporting documents are complete and accurate. If you do, you will be well on your way to an exciting work and travel adventure in Canada.